Hi, and today in this video we are going to learn how we can create animated GIF. In my case, I am using Filmora for this. To download Filmora I have given the link in the description. Now import the video from your system. Let me show you the video first. It is 10-second long. Let's make it more short for the better output. Remember, keep the video as short as possible. You can adjust your video according to your need. Perfect. Now let's add some title to make it more attractive. Double-click on the text to edit it. Add animation to the text to make it more beautiful. Now simply click on the export button and select the file type to GIF. This will export your video into animated GIF. Now let's see how our final output looks like. It's look perfect.